Let's assemble a fertilizer spreader truck. Don't stop. And now we need to fuel the fertilizer spreader truck. Press the pump. We did it! Drag the hook to the cargo. That's all. Let's fertilize the soil to grow corn. First, let's assemble a pre-sowing unit. Heat it up. First, let's fuel the pre-sowing unit. Pump. Heat it up. Let's prepare the soil for planting seeds. Drag the pistons to the empty slots. Don't stop. First, let's assemble a covered truck. You're doing really great. Let's fuel the covered truck. Pump. You're doing really great. Tap on the forward button for the vehicle to move. Hooray! Here we are! Let's buy corn seeds for popcorn. We need to assemble a seeding machine. We did it! Now we need to fuel the seeding machine. Press the pump. Don't stop. Drag the hook to the cargo. Drag the hook to the cargo. Drag the hook to the cargo to hang it. Drag the hook to the cargo to hang it. Amazing! Let's sow the field with corn. First, let's assemble a rotary spreader truck. We did it! Let's fuel the rotary spreader truck. Press the pump. Heat it up. Let's loosen the soil and add fertilizer for young sprouts. Connect the ends of the wires of the same color. You're doing really great. Let's assemble a spreader truck. Don't stop. First, let's fuel the sprayer truck. Let's choose the refuel pump. Don't stop. We made it! Keep it up! Let's water the corn crop. First, let's assemble a harrow tractor. Don't stop. And now we need to fuel the harrow tractor. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's remove weeds from the field. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. We need to repair the engine. Pour the coolant. Install the pistons into the right slots. Don't stop. We need to assemble a pollinating machine. Keep it up. First, let's fuel the pollinating machine. Choose the refueling gun pump. That's all. Let's pollinate the blooming corn to get more crop. And now let's wash the pollinating machine. Done. First, let's assemble a corn cob harvester. Drag the part to the right place. Hooray! First, let's fuel the corn cob harvester. Press the pump. That's all. The corn is ripe. It's time to harvest it. Drag the gears into the empty slots. Connect the wires by their colors. Amazing! Install the missing gears. Connect the ends of the wires of the same color. Done! First, let's assemble a grain truck. Don't stop. We made it! Keep it up! We need to dry the grain to get tasty popcorn. Let's load the grain into the elevator. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. And now let's wash the grain truck. Hooray! We need to assemble a soil sampling car. We did it! Let's fuel the soil sampling car. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's clean the grain from trash. Let's fix the engine. Pour the coolant. That's all. Let's assemble a truck. Done. And now we need to fuel the truck. Pump. Don't stop. Drag the hook to the cargo to hang it. Amazing! We made it! Keep it up! Let's pack the grain and prepare it for transportation. First, let's assemble a market truck. Ready. First, let's fuel the market truck. Pump. Done. Tap on the forward button for the vehicle to move. Hooray! Here we are! Let's make popcorn from the grain we've got. Great! You've managed to make tasty popcorn.